Welcome back to the channel and another week of playing with some alcohol inks and epoxy and all that good stuff. So today I am working on 2 trays for Florida Scratch Crack. She's a channel out of northern Florida. If you don't know who she is, go check her out. She's amazing. She's such a sweetheart and it's a lot of fun. So I just got done doing coins for her last week and she wanted a tray, but she was undecided which logo to do. So we're doing 2 trays. We're doing one tray with this logo and these colors, and the other tray will be, it's the same logo, it's just different colors. So I have all the colors picked out. Now both of them have yellow and green in them, so I will be using yellow and green in both, yellow, green, and white in both of those. And then I will be using blue in one and a fuchsia closest to I have to a pink in the other. So I have all my alcohol inks here. You know how it goes. They're all open. I gotta shake them up. I hope everybody had a great weekend and a great week. Get them shook up. I already got the boring part done. I already did the white bases on both trays here. So we got 2 trays, right? Point y'all down. We have 2 trays. So one's going to be more blue and one's going to be more pink. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this one here. Actually, I'm going to shake these alcohol inks a little more, and I'm going to get them all open. Because, like I said, we are using the white, yellow, and green will be in both trays. Because there is yellow and green in both trays. One will get more blue, one will get more pink. And that's what we're going to do. Oh, it happened. It happened. I touched a Smurf. Ah. Oh no! Oh shit, let me get this cleaned up real quick. Well, y'all just gonna have to look at some blue hands because I always forget that blue explodes when you shake it. So we'll worry about getting that off later. I already have the clear mixed. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and pour the clear in here. I can't believe that. I always forget about that. Blue does that. Now remember, we're not filling this all the way up because it still has to get a whole nother layer on it. Just enough to create a nice little make sure we get that to the ends. And y'all already know he in here snoring, as always. Mr. Snorebox. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, because it's still going to get the logo. And it's still going to get a whole nother layer. So I'm going to pour the rest of this one in here. And I have some more mixed up. So I knew that wasn't going to be enough. Never fails, y'all. I always forget about the freaking blue alcohol ink. Now we'll have some left over. I am making me some more of my clear translucent coins. Make sure this all goes to the edges. And we're going to do 1 alcohol ink tray at a time. So I'll drop all the ink in this one here first. We'll let that do its thing while I'm dropping it in the other one. Make sure this all fills out good. Alright, oop, gotta make sure it gets to every nook and cranny. Alright. Yeah. I can't believe I did that. I really need to put gloves on when I shake these inks, but I forgot all about it, y'all. It is what it is. Alright, so that's filling out. I'm actually going to move that tray up a little bit. I'm going to move this one over a little bit. And we're going to go ahead and do the one with the blue in it. Make sure you guys can see. Why is my... I don't know what the hell was going on with that. Wow, the screen was black. But let's go. We're going to work on this one here first. We'll try to get you guys pointed down a little more. Maybe move you over a little bit. And we're going to drop the... this one's going to be the blues. That's it for that blue. This one I'm kind of just dropping it all over. Especially want it in the corners. All right, so we're doing blue. That's Ultimate Marine Blue. This is that blue ice with the shimmer. So we're going to drop some of that around. Because it's really pretty. Especially in the sun. All right, we got that. We are going to do some green. Try to drop that in spots where it's empty. Because both logos have green in them. Green and yellow. Okay. Now I'm going to do some yellow. So I'm going to swirl this one in a way I've never swirled before, so I think it's be kind of cool. That was just regular yellow. This is, oh no, that was lemon yellow. This is regular yellow. I will probably put some more blue in there. Just a little more blue. Okay, now we're going to add the white. We're going to let this sit for a minute and do its thing while we do the other one. So I will kind of move you guys over. Alright, let's go. Let that do its thing. And we're going to slide you over here so you can see this one here. Alright, so here's this one. This one is going to get the pinks. So here's the fuchsia. Because this one has the pink in the logo, more pink in the logo and blue. I think these are going to be really cool. I'm excited. This one I'm probably going to do the circle swirl with. I'm not 100% sure yet. So there's that. Here is the magenta with the shimmer in it. So it'll sparkle. We like sparkles. Really looks pretty in the sun. Okay, now remember, alcohol ink pulls to the center. We're going to do green. I know it's going to look a little crazy, but there's green in both logos. Okay, green, yellow. This is a different yellow. I'm going to do some more of this fuchsia. And now we're going to do some white. Kind of just dropping that all over. And we're going to let that sit and do its thing. And we're going to move back over to the other tray. Alright, let's go. Oh my goodness, I got this stuff all over me. So there's the blue tray. See how that's looking right there? I can get y'all down a little more here. There you go, look at that. I'm going to stand up because I like to make sure there's no big gaps around the edges. So I'm going to put some more of this shimmer. Because alcohol ink pulls to the center. Damn. Oh, I think that's it for that one. Okay. Get this yellow here. Alright. So this one, I'm going to try something new. And we are going to swirl it around in just a crazy design. And then y'all know I go around the edges like this. I got blue hands, y'all. Alright, we're gonna let that do its thing. That's actually really pretty. So now we're gonna move over to this one. That one. I'm gonna go around and make sure there's no spots. Clear, big clear spots. So you really don't want those. And this one, I kind of like the... Alright. Okay, give that a second there. Wow, that blue one's gonna look cool. That like matches her logo perfect. Okay, we're gonna give that a second. Alright. So I wanted to put the lids on these and kind of get them out of the way because I added a little more white to that one. Now this one, I'm going to do more elegant. I'm going to do the circle around, around, around. Because you don't want both of them to be the same. So let's go. Ooh, that's pretty. More of like a long oval shape. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, that is so pretty. Let me pick you guys up so you can see both trays. So remember, sorry y'all, this blue logo here is going to go with this tray. That is like dead on perfect. This one here is going to go with this tray. And that is beautiful. I didn't want to do the same swirl pattern on each one. So I'm going to sit here on Bubble Watch. I got to just take what I have left over for clear epoxy and fill these up because I make a few more clear ones. So we're going to let this set for 24 hours and we'll see how it looks from then. Hey, okay, so it's technically been 48 hours. You guys watched me put the alcohol ink in and we swirled it all. I did put the stickers in. I like to let the stickers sit for 24 hours too. I'm trying not to run over a dog, but I tell you what, we haven't done the top coat yet. I'm gonna show you what these look like with the stickers. I think they turned out freaking amazing. Florida Scratch Crack. I hope you like them. Let's go with the blue logo first. Ta-da! Look, dude, that couldn't have been more perfect. That is absolutely beautiful. And I will be doing shorts of these when they're all done. Like I said, I still have to put the top coat on. That's what we're going to do today. Ta-da! Man, that's beautiful. All right, here we go. Here's her pink one, y'all. Let's go. They turned out so amazing. Ta-da! Look at that. They are both absolutely gorgeous, y'all. These trays were a lot of fun to make. Thank you so much, Florida Scratch Crack. I really hope you like them. Like I said, I got to put the top layer in and seal them. Then I have to set for 24 hours. Then I pop them out. And then they need to set for a week. And I have to sand the edge and all that. So, sorry, y'all. I got a million and one things going on. So let's get you pointed down. And I'm going to show you. We're going to kind of seal them in. And then I'm going to be on Bubble Watch for a while. I already got the boring part done, as usual. I probably will have to mix some more, but I don't know. We will see. Once I get all this poured in this one. I probably will have to mix some more, but I want to make sure it all goes to the edges. Ooh, like that. It's been crazy here, y'all. The kids are here. I'm super excited. Yeah, we need some more. But this is the layer that's sealing it in that makes it all shiny. Boy, she's going to have a hard time deciding which one to scratch on, you know? Yeah, I'm going to have to mix some more, but that's fine. But I just wanted to show you guys. These turned out flippin' amazing. I think they did. I think they are freaking gorgeous. Gonna make sure it all goes to the edges. Alright, so I'm gonna slide that one up. Kind of move you guys over a little bit so you can see it without trying to show you what my next project is. I have to mix some more because this is probably not going to be enough to fill this, but that's okay. I can mix some more. That is not a big deal. So that's what we're doing today. Sealing these bad puppies in. They turned out amazing. They are so beautiful. With her logo, oh my goodness, they are gorgeous. So I'm going to mix some more epoxy and get these sealed in. And we're going to let them sit for 24 hours. And then we will get them popped out, y'all. Okay? Alright, you guys. It has, these have set. I have not popped them out of the molds yet. But I tell you what, these things are absolutely gorgeous. Florida Scratch Crack. I really, really, really hope you love your trays. I think they're beautiful. You're going to have a hard decision to figure out which one to scratch on first. But let's go on and pop these out. And this, I appreciate all the love and support, you guys. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, comment, share, turn on your notification bell so you're notified every time I go live and or post a video. Now remember, these have to set for a week, okay? And, no, excuse me. I just ate lunch. Sorry. These have to set for a week, and I have to sand the edges down, okay? So this is the back side, right? Boom, baby. Look at this tray. Look at this tray, y'all. And I will be doing a short of them out in the sun because this just doesn't know justice, y'all. This is absolutely beautiful. I tell you what, that thing is gorgeous. Look at that. So pretty. All right, not trying to make y'all dizzy, I promise. Make sure I can see. Okay, now for the pink one. I think they both turned out kick-ass, y'all. These things are badass. I love that she gave me my own creativity with it, because sometimes I feel like I do a little better when I can kind of put my own little twist to it, if that makes sense. Woo! So back side of the pink one. Bam! Look at that, baby. Look at these trays, y'all. Remember, I got to sand the edges. And look how shiny that is. I mean, that's beautiful. But they got to set for a week. I sand the edges, and then I will get them shipped to her. I really hope you love them. I think they're absolutely beautiful. Thank you guys so much again for the love and support. Like I said, if you're new here, subscribe, like, comment, share. I post videos every Wednesday, random shorts. I don't go live a lot on this channel just because the whole time thing, and I need to figure it out. Now, next week, we're going to be working on some coins and putting some actual real gold in them, you guys, for somebody. But you guys will get to see that next week. So thanks again. Until next time, y'all enjoy the rest of your Wednesday, and you have a great rest of your week. Bye.